I wanted to come up with a way that anyone could create a portrait of their pet, and I have. One of the things I get asked for the most frequently are custom portraits, but I just don't have the time to fulfill very many of these requests. But I hate turning people down, so I wanted to come up with a way that anyone who was willing to get their hands a little messy could make their own pet portrait. I've done just that in my new online class, Mixed Media Unleashed Easy Pet Portraits. In it, I'll show you how to take an ordinary inkjet printout and turn it into a cherished keepsake. It's a fun and easy process. No prior painting or drawing experiences required. You can totally do it. I believe in you. I will walk you through the process, step by step, cheering you on every little bit of the way. So, if you've ever wanted a custom painting of your pet, please join me in this class. It's fully online and you can do it at your own pace. Did I mention that no prior drawing or painting experience is required? You will fall in love with the freedom and no mistakes nature of mixed media art. All kinds of pets are welcome. These techniques will work with any kind of animal. The class is available now and there's a link below, or just use the QR code on the screen. Hope to see you there!